Mastering the Past Perfect Tense, Full Breakdown and Tips. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful yet often misunderstood tenses in English, the past perfect tense. 1. What is the past perfect tense? The past perfect tense describes an action that was completed before another past action or point in time. In simpler terms, it's the past of the past. Think of a timeline. 2. Structure. Affirmative. Subject plus had plus past participle, V3 for example, she had finished her homework. Negative. Subject plus had not, hadn't, plus past participle .g, they hadn't eaten before the show. One action happens first, further back in the past, use past perfect, the other action happens after it. Use simple past. 3. When to use the past perfect. Had plus subject plus past participle? For example, had you ever seen that movie before? A. To show the earlier of two past actions. B. To talk about cause and effect in the past. She was tired because she hadn't slept well. Her lack of sleep happened before she felt tired. C. With time expressions like before, after, already, by the time, when, as soon as, until then. By the time we got to the cinema, the movie had started. I had never heard that song before yesterday. D. In reported speech. When I arrived at the station, the train had already left. The train left first, past perfect, I arrived after, simple past. She had left before he arrived. He said he had finished the report. He finished it before he said it. 4. Timeline example. She left, earlier past, past perfect he arrived, later past, simple past. 5. Common mistakes to avoid. I had eaten dinner. This is incomplete on its own. I had eaten dinner before they called me. When I arrived, he left. This suggests both actions happened at the same time. When I arrived, he had left. Correct, he left first. Let me know if you'd like exercises, visual timelines, or help comparing this with other tenses. Happy to go deeper. Thank you for watching.